Hello dear learners, I welcome you to my YouTube channel Creative Code. Today we will learn HTML5 document. So if you want to become a web designer, you must having a proper knowledge of HTML5 language. Okay, let's see how to learn in a proper way. HTML fundamental concept. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML markup uses to creating web pages. HTML used to maintain a structure of a web page. You can see the basic structure of HTML5 document. Just remember this, we will discuss in details in next. This one is doc type HTML element. This is HTML element. This is head element. And inside of this head element, here is title element. And after head element, we can see a body element. Okay, this is the basic structure of HTML5. If you do not know how to create file and open the file web browser, let's see how to create file and open the file web browser. Now here in a desktop, we will create a HTML file. First one, I want to create a folder. Rename it HTML5 practice. And inside of this folder, I want to create a HTML file. Before creating HTML file, just go to view and check the box file name and extension. This is very important because this will help you to creating file easily. Now I want to create a file here. Go to text document, select all, and rename here with index.html. Remember this .html is the extension of HTML file, because without this .html the browser will don't know how to display on the website. So remember this, you must write here .html. Okay, then yes, you can see the file has been created. Now I want to open this file in a text editor. I want to open a notepad. I also recommend you to open notepad because notepad text editor will help you to learn properly HTML5. Now I want to minimize here. Now I want to open this file also a web browser. Open with, I want to open with Firefox. You can open any other browser, no problem. We can see in this browser we cannot see anything because we did not write here in a text editor. So let's see. Now we will write here a basic structure of HTML5 before we have seen in the slides. Okay, let's see what will the structure of HTML5. Remember this, including angle bracket, everything is called element. Okay, so this element name is doc type element. Okay, or also this is called tag. Tag or element is the same, but there is some difference. The difference, what is the difference, next we will try to understand. Okay, but just remember that this is a doc type HTML element. Okay, then write here HTML element and press enter. Remember this is a HTML element, and HTML element is two types. One is opening element and closing element, or this is called opening tag and this is a closing tag. Opening tag starts with angle bracket and tag name, and closing tag start with angle bracket and slash and HTML, or this is a tag name. Okay, and inside of HTML element we'll write here head and closing head slash like this. Okay, and press enter, and inside of head we'll write here a title, opening title and closing title. Opening title tag and closing title tag. Okay, and what is title? The title elements specifies a title for the HTML files that is shown in a web browser title bar. Okay, this is title bar or in the page tab. Okay, so if you write here something inside of title tag, HTML5 practice. If we save here, if we refresh here, we can see the HTML5 practice is shown in a browser title bar. Okay, so this is the working of title element. And head element, if we tap here, this is a head element contains meta information, okay, about the HTML page. What is meta information? Next tutorial we will learn what is meta information and what works with head element. But remember this first one, head, inside of head the title will be right here. Okay, like this. If we indent here, right here first tag, and after head element we'll write here a body element, opening body tag and closing body tag or body element. Element and tag almost same, but there is some difference I expressed before. But remember this is a element or this is a body and this is a tag. Okay, so what is body? Body element defines the documents and is a container for the all visible contents you want to display in a website. Okay, such as headings, images, paragraphs, hyperlinks, table, list, etc. So if you show something within a paragraph, just write here in a body tag, and here is a tag name p tag. This means the paragraph. Opening p and closing p means this is a paragraph. If you write something here a paragraph, just you write here welcome to my website for learning HTML5. Okay, you can give here a heading. If you want to give here a heading, just write heading. Each one means heading tag. Okay, if you write some headlines, just write in a head each one element. This is a HTML5 practice, and closing is H1 tag. Closing is H1 is angle bracket slash h1 like this. Okay, if we save here, we'll see the paragraph and heading will show here, HTML practice and welcome to my website for learning HTML. So this is the main concept to show in a body element. Okay, what you want to display in your website in a blank white space, what we can see in a website, everything is right here in a body element, inside of body element. Okay, just remember this. So this is the main structure and some content we have learned here, how to show some content in a website. And the content what you want to display in a website, just write inside of body element and with this tag what you want to display in your website. Okay, and each one defines that this is a heading, and p elements defines that this is a paragraph. And if you want to write a paragraph inside of p tag, you must write here. And if you give some heading, there are 6 types of heading, h1, h2, h4, h3, h4, h5, h6, h1 to h6. This is a heading. Okay, so next tutorial, no problem, step by step we will learn what is element and what is tag and how many tag or elements there is in HTML5. So dear learners, what we will learn next tutorial? We'll learn next tutorial syntax, HTML attribute, HTML links and HTML image. So if you do not miss this important lesson, please subscribe my channel Creative Code. Okay, so I again welcome you to my Creative Code for the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.